these are all my gifts. I'll open them and reveal like what's inside, and I'll say thank you to the person who gives it.
Okay. This is the first gift you opened, right?
Yes.
How was the game?
Cool.
What all you prepared in that?
I made a heart, and these are all down here diamonds.
Wow.
And these are all the extra.
Okay.
All the pieces which we run out, we use other pieces to continue building the diamonds.
Okay, good.
This is a blue diamond, and this is a light blue diamond.
Okay, good.
Mari auntie, thank you for these two gifts. This is a stunt car. It has two forms. One that this stunt car lobo can turn into a car, and this car can turn into a lobo. They're like opposites. Chisan, Nissan, Sandy auntie, thank you for these 3 gifts. And I'll reveal what's inside. And thank you. I'll open it later after our box. I can't get out yet. Thanks, Nissan, for giving me chess game. Thanks, Sandy Andy, for this block game. And even thanks, Nissan, for this cube game. You see, there's 3 cubes. I will try to mix the colors and then try to keep them in their colors back. And I will take the yellow cube. I will take the yellow circle cube, and Daddy will take the orange square cube. Hello guys, whoever gave this, we will play this after my video. And this is very interesting and it's super good. And thank you for this video. And thank you President and Tejas. And thank you for this gift. It's so interesting. I can't wait to see what's inside. Hi guys, thanks for this logo. I really love it. It's so nice. It's because it looks so interesting. And this is so cool. I can't wait to try this. It's so awesome. Thanks for this gift, Venky Mama. It's so awesome. We can't wait to try it. And thanks for this gift. Thanks, Venky Mama, for this gift. I can't wait to see what's inside. And it's a bit too heavy. Thanks, Venky Mama, for this gift. I love logos. Now I got 2. It's so cool. It's my lucky day. Samala, for this gift. I can't wait to see what's inside. I hope it's another Lobot because Lobots are my favorite. Thanks, Samala. You're the best. We have to pick up one of these. Thanks for this game. So cool that it can shoot 3 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so awesome. I can't believe that it can shoot 3, 1, 2, 4. 5 bullets at a time. this game is also so cool. Even this game which I'm pointing at, I did not have that, but I have all the other games, but except this one which I'm pointing inside mine. Whoever gave this gift, thank you. And I can't wait to see what's inside, but why is it so small? Is there something very small like a car? There's no name for this one, but I think it's Shiva Mama. Thanks Shiva Mama for this gift. But I wonder what's inside. Thanks for this bowling. I really love bowling. I really wish a long time for I get a logo or bowling and stuff. Everybody for this dollar. And I'm telling you because I can't really read your names. Thanks so much. Here you go.
How do you like this game?
Good.
Fun?
Yep.
So what is this? Building blocks.
Yep.
And you just tried this
Yep.
heart.
Heart and this.
This.
And even you can build any of your favorite museum or even build these. And also, there's these colors that show you how much liters are there. And here, these colors show how many colors are there. And there